Hello again. I hope everyone is okay. We're about to start week 3. So, for next Friday, or actually not next Friday, day 4 of next week, we will be doing some phonics. So, I'm going to read you a story and listen and see if you can figure out which sound is the sound you hear the most. The story is called Gale the Snail. Gale the Snail laid trails with her tail. Gale loved her trails. However, when rain or hail fell, it would wash her trails away. This caused Gale pain, so her brain came up with a plan that couldn't fail. She would sail to where there was no rain or hail and paint her trails. What do you think? Which sound did you hear? The sound is the A sound. Let's look at some words that have the A sound. Snail. Repeat. Snail. Rain. Rain. Brain. I always say use your brain. Sail. Sail. Chain. Chain. Nail, nail. Train, train. Jail, jail. And drain. Let's go through them once more. Say them. Repeat after me. Snail, rain, brain, sail, chain, nail, train, jail, drain. So the AI sounds like a train. Okay, that's your phonics lesson for this week. See you next week.